she is. Everybody, let's put our hands together for Naomi. She's got, come on up. She's got her pro fight. She's 1-0 as a pro boxer. She's awesome, she's attractive, she's got guns, look at this. And she's fighting Friday, July 12th at the Olive Park Pavilion. Make sure you guys go up and talk to her. Or my man Ivan right here, they're promoting this fight. She's got tickets for sale. I know that we're going and we're going to show our support for Naomi. It's going to be a legit fight. So once again, pro boxer Naomi Bosques, championship boxing. And also the main event is going to be featuring Charlie Serrano versus Alan Martinez. That's going to be the WBO title.